Wednesday morning. We are about to go for a walk bike ride combination, and in this video you are going to learn how to install the bike rack on the back of an SUV. Let's go. Finding all your straps, there should be 6. The first one, you reach to the top of your SUV and hook it up in the top. Okay, so we just hook it into the top right here. And we do the same thing for the second side. Hook it right into the groove up here. Take a minute and tighten your straps. The top 2 are good to go. All right. Okay, now you do the middle straps. Reach right along. If you have the option to avoid the glass, I always do, hook it onto the metal. Go to the second side, tighten your strap on this one. Also, right onto the metal if you can. Keep them straight, nice and smooth. Now the bottom 2 are a bit more tricky. Loosen it up quite a bit because you're going to open up the back of the SUV. Check your range up there. Make sure your finger's not in the way of the camera. Okay, now we're going to hook these right underneath here as it closes. I just hold it up, keep my other straps out of the way, watch my head. Perfection, and now I tighten. Always go back and check those straps again to make sure they're snug. There we go. You should be able to have a nice firm grip all around. If it's too wiggly, that's not great. There we go. You'll notice that you have a lot of hanging strings. I like to just do a quick knot, keep them from flapping around. I do that on both sides. And now we're ready to put the bike on. Check to see where your gears are. Gears are away from the car so they don't get too close. Put your first bike on. It sits right in these grooves here. There's some rocking grooves here. It sits right in those grooves. So find 2 grooves that work and then put your first strap in. Okay, loop your strap through, put it right in that hole and pull tight. Make sure you've got a good grip. And then do the same thing on the other side. Loop your strap through. There we go. Now you've got a sturdy bike on the back of the car. Okay. Now we're ready to have a good time. There we go.
You forgot me!